And third grade at Benel works really hard on learning recorder. And these particular third graders have worked even harder than the average, and they've been working at home and practicing, and they've worked their way up through all of our songs, and they have learned the most advanced song that I had, and some of them have gone on, and I've had to just stay one step ahead of them to give them enough music to work on. You might have noticed the wonderful art installation that Helen Green created outside, and it was partially inspired by these three students. So they will play for you Ode to Joy on the recorder.